Good morning, children. So welcome to your mathematics class. So in the last class we have learned the subtraction of large numbers we have seen, and how to simplify the word problems and subtraction also we have seen, right? And today's topic is multiplication of large numbers. So how to multiply the large numbers. So maybe you have studied and learned in your lower classes with the 2 digit, right? And in 5th class we are going to learn how to multiply a 3 digit with a 2 digit, 3 digit with 3 digit, 4 digit with 4 digits. How to multiply, that we are going to learn. So before going to do how to multiply, here I would like to say a few points. So multiplication is also called repeated addition. Multiplication is also called repeated addition. Why? Because suppose with me had 4 boxes. Okay? With me had 4 boxes. In that 5 balls are there. In that 5 balls are there. Okay? So how many are there? In this 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay? I have 4 boxes and each box 5 balls are there. Now my duty is to find out how many balls are there. So in generally what I will do, I will start counting from one box to other. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. Am I right? How you will do? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So which gives you 20 balls. So nothing but we are adding 5 repeatedly 4 times. Am I right? I am adding 5 repeatedly. How many times I am adding? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times I am adding. So multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. So instead of adding repeated, if the number of boxes are so small, 10 means I can count. Suppose if the number of boxes are more, like 100 means I can't go on counting 500 times. Am I right? So instead of that, what I will do? I will do multiplication. Means 5. How many times I have added? 4 times. So 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20 means 4 times I am adding 5. You can write in this way also. 4 times. 4 times I am adding 5. So which gives you 4 times of 5 is equal to how much? 20. Clear? So here I have taken one example. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So how many times I am adding here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times I am adding. How many times you are adding? That you have to write first. So 5 times. So what I am adding 5 times? 6 I am adding. So 5 into 6 gives you 30. Gives you 30. So like in addition and we have subtraction, we have seen addends, the minuend, subtrahend, and the total will be read as sum. And when you do subtraction, the result which you are getting, we have named it as a difference. In the same way, even for multiplication also, we have the names. Okay, what are they? So the number which you are multiplying means how many times you are doing. That is called your multiplier. Means how many times you are adding. Times, 5 times you are adding. So that 5 is named as multiplier. And so what you are adding repeatedly, which number you are adding repeatedly, that number is called multiplicand. And the result, 5 6 are 30. Whatever result you are getting, that is called as product. It is called as product. Okay. So the multiplier and multiplicand are also called factors. Means this multiplier and multiplicand, 5 and 6 can also be called as factors of 30. What is this factors? We are going to learn in the next coming chapter. Okay. So these two are also called as factors of 30. So how we will read this? 5 times 6. 5 times of 6. 5 times of 6 gives you 30, and this 30 is known as product. Okay. So you just copy this in your notebook, and I am going to discuss you some properties of multiplication. Okay, just you copy. properties of multiplication. For multiplication we have some properties. So what are those properties? We'll see now. The first property is changing the order of fractions does not change the product. Changing the order of fractions does not change the product. It means, suppose here I am considering two numbers, okay, 3 and 6. Okay, now I am multiplying these two. 3 6 are how much? 18. 3 6 are 18, right? What I will, here I wrote 3 first and 6 next. Suppose I will write 6 first, then 3 next. Do my answer change? Yes? Do I get any different answer if I change the order? Means what I am doing here, I am changing the order. Instead of writing first, I am writing in the second place. Instead of writing second, I am writing the first place. 3 6 are here I do. Whereas here I change the order. 6 3s are. Yes? So how much 6 3s are? 18. Means though if you change the order of factors, the result will not be changed. The result will not be changed. Sorry, here factors. The result will not be changed. Now coming to your second problem. The product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Means, suppose here I am taking 5639. This is my number. Now I want to multiply this with 1. How much you will get? As you know the tables well. 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 599 ones are 599. Means if you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. So that is the second property. The product of any number you take, either it may be lakhs, crores, millions, thousands, hundreds. If you multiply that number with 1, you will get the same number, that is 5639. This is your second property. Now coming to your third property. The product of any number, product nothing but multiplication, the result which you are getting. So the product of any number and 0 is 0 only. Yes? We have studied in the tables in the lower classes. 2 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0. So any number you take, any number, how many digits it may have, if you multiply the number with a 0, the result will be 0. So here I am taking some 33,569. Now you multiply with 0. Multiply with 0. So what is the answer? 0 only. So most of the students will get confused with these two. Okay? But remember carefully, when you are multiplying with 1, the same number you will get. When you are multiplying with a 0, 0 only you will get. Got my point? Okay? So these are the three properties of multiplication. Okay? First one is, even if you change the order also, the product will not be changed. When second property, when you multiply with 1, you will get the same number. Third property, when you multiply with 0, 0 only will get. So you just copy this in your notebook. Okay? And today I will give you one example of multiplication with a single digit. Today I will explain you, and tomorrow's class 2 digit, 3 digit I will explain. Okay? So here 3690 into 5. So you have to multiply. How much it is? Okay? How much it is? Now you do multiplication. 3690 into 5. Into 5. Now start multiplying from the ones place. Start multiplying from ones place. So 5 into 0. Just now we have studied in properties. Any number multiply with 0, you will get 0 only. So 5 zeros are 0. 5 nines are. So when you are doing multiplication, here somewhere in the rough column you write down 5 table. As you know the 5 table now, so start writing the 5 table and you write. So 5 nines are how much? 45. 5 nines are 45. So 5 should be written here and 4 should be taken carry to your next number. Okay? 5 nines are 45. 5 you have to write and 4 should be taken as carry. Now 5 6 are how much? 30. 30. Now you add carry to 30. 30 plus 4, 34. So 4 you write here and 3 will be taken as carry. Now you multiply. 5 3s are how much? 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3. Don't forget to add carries. If you have carries means you have to add. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 how much? 18. Now put the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds. So after 3 digits you have to put the commas. So what is the answer? 18,450 is the answer. Okay children. So you just copy this. Based on these I will give you some questions. Okay children. Children, this is your homework. Find the product. Product means multiplication I told you. So do the multiplication for these two, and second one is fill in the blanks. So based on the properties, just now I explained the 3 properties. So based on those 3 properties only I have given you some questions. Fill in the blanks. So try to simplify these questions. So note it down in your notebook and try to simplify. And in the next class we learn how to multiply the 3 digit with the 3 or 4 with the 4 digit numbers. We learn how to multiply. Dear children, have a nice day. Thank you.